We are not just memorizing the Quran. We are building our future, our identity. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. By the name of Allah, the most merciful and benevolent, all praises for Allah, who has created us as the best creator in the world. Be peace upon the great leader of all prophets, Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam. After offering praises to Almighty Allah and wishing salat and salam for our great prophet, it is a great honor for me to speak today on the occasion of the first anniversary of Al-Hasnain Global Islamic Education Institute. In this blessed journey, we are not just memorizing the Quran, we are building our future, our identity. We are thankful to our beloved teacher, Hafiz Qari Maulana Yasin Arfat Rayhan Sahib Hujur, whose vision and effort make all this possible. May Allah accept our efforts and make us among those who carry the light of the Quran across the world. Thank you very much for listening to me. Jazakumullahu khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
আল হাসনাইন গ্লোবাল ইসলামিক এডুকেশন ইনস্টিটিউট। ধন্যবাদ।